So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, this is MEDIABOXENT, and today I'm going to give you the fix for the DJI mic that you're going crazy and trying to figure out why it's not working for your iPad or iPad Pro. We have the fix here. Also, we test 11, 12, 13, and 14 iPhone. And for more tips and tools, make sure you subscribe right now to MEDIABOXENT because some cool videos coming up. I'm going to give you the fix and exactly what you need today to make your iPad to work with the DJI mic. First thing you need to do is make sure they have no adapter, so we're going to leave it off, and you need to bring the gain, so check your gain at least plus 10. If it's 0, it's not going to work, so get about 10. We're going to be using the output, either adapter. I'm going to leave you the link right below, another adapter. You need these 3 things plus, yes, I'm sorry, the original cable from the box. This one is the one you're going to be using for your cameras, but by itself it's not going to work. So we have this one, pretty simple, USB Type-C, and this one will connect your microphone, or either this is speaker, can work that way, or this one that allow you to charge your iPad, and then meanwhile you're going to be using your microphone. All right, so we're going to test this out. I'm going to plug it right here. If you're going to use this output here and you plug it in here, it's not going to work. Don't try that. Not working. All right, if you have one of these cables, a stereo to the 5 connection, the one is carrying audio, another one carrying the microphone, it will not work. So what I did, I just got one of this. It has all the adapter, but the only thing that would allow you to bring is audio, microphone only. I leave the link right below this video. This one works perfect because I just went and bought a bunch of adapters to figure out why it's not working. So we have to do a little bit of Frankenstein here. So we're going to put the first adapter like this. Then you can use the original one, plug it in. Then we plug it in right here. Then I get the plus 10. So we have that. And now we got this. So let's try this up. And if we go, works perfect. Now, how do I know it's not getting the audio from the iPad? Okay, I'm going to go like this. And we can see. All right, the other way around, if you change it, it's going to have the audio right from the iPad, not from the adapter. So if I use anything else, not working. All right, very important. Simple. I mean, yeah, kind of sucks that you need all this cable. My original idea is, okay, you know what, I'm going to go this way. I'll just plug it in, make it easy for me. We go this way. We plug here, and we plug right there. Shows me adapter. And then I record, and that should be simple enough. Not doing it. All right, so see, nothing happened. And that would be the original idea. That's why I bought this product. But also I use Android, and Android is no problem. Androids work with USB with no problem. Now, guys, for those who has the iPhone, so this is what I did. I was able to get some of the friends. Each one has actually a different iPhones. And just grab it for a little bit, for like 5 minutes. And can I test something on your phone? So when I went, remove this up, and put the lightning port. Yeah, by the way, I see a lot of videos. People say, make sure you press it all the way down. You got to press it. They have nothing to do with how you press this with USB-C or lightning. Lightning port works perfect. Now, I tested with the iPhone 11 and didn't work right by the spot. Now, maybe it requires a little bit of configuration, but it's not my phone. And I didn't want to go and make any changes. So the iPhone 11 didn't work right there. So maybe by changing configurations, you have to test it. Now, I tested an iPhone 12. I soon to plug it in. I record a video. Sounds perfect, no problem. So I got another friend that has the iPhone 13. And I said, listen, can I test it for a little bit? And let me turn the camera on, plug this in, turn the camera on, and work with no problem. No change was required to do in right now iPhone 13. Then we tested also iPhone 14. Plug it in, but there's no change required. I just turn the camera on and start recording, and it works perfect. So guys, that's a fix. Leave me a comment Let me know if that works for you. I mean, kind of sucks. Yes, you need all those crazy adapters for the iPad, but you know what? At least it works. Now, if you have an iPhone 12, 13, or 14, just plug it in. It will work. And make sure it's all the way down. If you need to change it, just push this down and get this out. That's it. I'll see you next time.